Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video on the build bench. I know it's been a while since we've done a video. The whole reason it's been a while is obviously with new channels like this one, especially tech channels, PC building channels, so on and so forth. When you're not a big channel, you don't just get sent stuff to review, so on and so forth. You have to actually just buy it when you can, wait for it to arrive, then review it. So that's why it's been a while, obviously with Christmas coming up and I have young kids and stuff like that, so money's not just being freely available to just keep buying PC parts, so on and so forth. But for today's video I just thought I'd just do a quick look around like the room that I'm in, so on and so forth. So we'll start with this like sort of bench table here. Ignore the pram, it's just old pram with small little ones. Yeah, so this is our old test bench. Obviously there's the 1050 Ti that you might have seen in the video that I thermal pasted it. Like it is an old like an old platform. This, I mean, that's a Gigabyte BT50M board with I think it's an i3-7100, which if I'm right in thinking is an LGA 1151 socket. 600 watt EVGA, just 80 plus white, nothing really that powerful goes onto the test bench, so 600 watts fine. Just a little boot SSD and then just a small mechanical drive plugged in for anything I need on here. This cooler, you might be wondering why it's mounted at an angle, but this cooler is that like £4.99 one that I bought a few months back on AliExpress. It's actually on the system at the minute because I'm going to do a video testing if it's any good. I have over here my Be Quiet, I think it's like a Pure Rock Mini or something it's called. Then I have this just Arctic cooler that's like a sort of top down, similar to like an AMD Wraith cooler or Intel stock cooler. A couple of fans, an M.2, some thermal paste brush, so on and so forth. Screwdriver I use, some Q-tips, some isopropyl, and then a keyboard kit, you know, for like keycap pullers, so on and so forth. Over there is a 240mm AIO. This was one that was on my rig before I went up to a 360. I haven't figured out what I'm doing with it yet. So that's there. Now, this stuff down here, this is a build that I am building for someone else that is basically half done. That's the cooler that's gone in it there, if I don't drop it. The Assassin X from Thermalright. The rest of the parts are on the way for that, which is a 750 watt Gigabyte power supply and 80 plus gold one. There is a 12 gig Gigabyte Windforce 3060 coming as well, so we will be doing a review of that GPU on the channel. Now if we move over here, this is like my area. Obviously you've got the two monitors. Believe it or not, I've got Gamers Nexus, Steve's video about NZXT basically ripping people off. A bit of a plug there for Gamers Nexus. Obviously the mouse and the keyboard, my mic, my mic for talking like in Discord and stuff, the main sort of rig. And then if we go over here, these two boxes, this is just an empty chassis now. It's an old one as well with like the top mounted power supply in it. This one that's in this box is like a dual chamber case, but not a full ATX sized one. That is what the other half's PC is going in, and that PC is over here. which is this one here. Now that is it's an AM4 platform. It's the only AM4 platform in the house. That's a Ryzen 5 2700X, 2600X, 2800X, something like that, I don't know. Obviously 16 gig RAM, that's got the 1080 Ti in it. It's the Asus Turbo model with the blower style cooler. And that's got a 750 watt power supply in it. And then another Thermaltake, I think that's a Peerless Assassin, or Thermalright, I think that's a Peerless Assassin. And then going back to mine actually needs upgrading now. Mine is an i5 10505 with 32 gig DDR4. Obviously the RX 6800 that you will have seen in videos, obviously the dual chamber case, the power supply is a Corsair RM850X, obviously that's in the back because it's a dual chamber. And then storage wise we've got like 256 gig M.2 just to boot off. Then we have a terabyte M.2 and also a 2 terabyte hard drive in the back, like mechanical hard drive just for mass storage, until I can get a server up and running. So yeah, like I thought I'd just make this video, show you around my room. Like I said, I know it's been a while since we uploaded, but yeah, like I said, Christmas coming up and all that lot, so we should be back to normal in the new year. Like I said, we will have quite a few videos coming up actually, because we'll have a sort of like a review sort of test of that 12 gig 3060 that's coming. That should be here within the next week. I will do a video on the power supply that I've ordered for that other build. That'll be here tomorrow. So that video will probably be up Tuesday maybe tomorrow night. The 3060 test will be done on the test bench, not in my rig. And then after that, we'll have me swapping the whole of my other half's build into the other one. We'll have the full build on the other PC that I'm doing for someone. So yeah, we've got a few videos coming up, a couple of like full build videos, and then we'll run some benchmarks on them obviously when they're built, see what they can do. But yeah, I'll leave it there for this video, guys. I apologise for not uploading for a couple of weeks. But yeah, like I said, we have some things in the pipeline, some things coming up. But for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I will catch you in the next one.